The icicle has been getting bigger and bigger ever since yesterday. Right now I'm about to show you how big it is. Ooh. Voila. No. Gypsy. Get back. We don't have a fence. Okay? It's like -1 out here. Look at this. Is that big enough for you guys? It's pretty big. Good morning, everyone. Today's Friday and I don't have any school. And since today's Friday, I'm gonna do something cool. So last night I was supposed to edit yesterday's vlog, okay? Well, I never did that. So now I'm editing the vlog right now. It got up to -3 degrees last night. And it's still at -3. I did an insane 8-hour live stream last night on YouTube. On my other channel. I'll be uploading my vlogs around 12:30 every day. Go check out the new vlog that I just posted from yesterday. It was yesterday's vlog. Please go check it out. I have gotten 18 subscribers in only 3 days. That's still quite a bit. For me, at least. But I want more. I'm not trying to rush you guys. Just please, if you would, at some time, share these videos with your friends and family. This is how you play hide and go seek with the dogs. You guys ready? I'll win. Alright. When I say go, then you gotta find me. Go! Oh man, you guys found me. The icicle has been getting bigger and bigger ever since yesterday. Right now I'm about to show you how big it is. Ooh. Voila. No. Gypsy. Get back. We don't have a fence. Okay? It's like -1 out here. Look at this. Is that big enough for you guys? It's pretty big. If you guys could please subscribe to my buddy's channel, his YouTube channel. All you gotta do is type in this or just go down and link in the description below, because his channel link will be in the description below. So just go on there, click on the link, and then it'll take you to his channel. All you gotta do is click that red subscribe button, and then to get every one of his videos, don't miss a video, click that bell too. Can you do the same to mine, please? I might be doing a live stream on my other channel. I'm gonna go. See you guys all tomorrow. Love you all. Peace out.
SUP